Alright, so this is a video of the LG Watch Sport. I don't know if you got one. If you do, and it's quite old, and it just doesn't work properly anymore. Simple solution for you might just be swapping out the battery. So this one doesn't turn on unless it's on a charger. Also dies after 50% or maybe even less than that, like 70% or something like that. Doesn't last long at all. It's unreliable. So I bought a battery from eBay, which came from China, the BLS7, and I'm going to put it in now. This is a video on how I do it. So I've already taken the screws from the side here. I can only get one off because one of these straps off, because the other one I super glued on because it broke. LG did offer, Google did offer me a replacement, but because I got it in America, it was impossible to get sent out to them. There we go. So just take the screws out of here. You can see this one's kind of broken. This is a common issue with these watches. They're not very well made. I definitely wouldn't buy LG again. Here's a tool to open the back up. Oh, the wrong way. Right, this exposes the SIM card, and I kind of just got to pull this off. So just get a screwdriver. I can't get this one off, so I'll leave that. Get the screwdriver. This kind of glued on together here, so you can see the glue separating. Alright, don't be scared. Kind of wedge it up. I'm gonna be a little bit rough because I don't really give a shit about this watch anymore. I don't care about how it looks, is what I mean. If I scratch it, I scratch it. Alright. I got a feeling that I have to take this off. This could be ugly. Alright. Alright, so because this broke off, I super glued it. It's now very troublesome to get it off. Yours probably ain't like that, so it should be a lot easier to lift this part off. I'm having trouble getting this off without completely breaking it, so I think I might be able to force this out. Oh yes, I think I've got it. Oh, I've got this off as well. Okay, it finally gave way. I'm definitely gonna have to glue that back on. It's completely mashed in there. There we go. I had to put a lot of glue on there because honestly this watch is terrible. Alright, so we reveal the inside. By the way, when you do this, it's not going to be waterproof anymore, so don't go swimming with it. Different screwdriver now, so let's get this one here. Okay, so there's a few ribbons here. It's helpful if you've got a tool like this. You can just lift it off like that. That's a ribbon there too. I'm going to take this black shield off. So this is guarding most of the components. Very brittle. Okay, so now this can come off. And this one here. That one's off. Alright, now let's just lift off. Oh, look what we have here. Shitty battery from LG. Died after like 7 months, man. Never mind. I'm guessing this is glued down. Well, let's leave that in there. Let's get a new one first. Definitely the right one. Good. 430 milliamp. It has to be this particular battery because with the shape, no other will fit. That's the screen right there, so be careful with that. I would pull it from the ribbon if you can. There we go. Got it out. Put the new one in its place. That was easy. Let's put it back together. Where those two black bits are there, that should go opposite the SIM card arrow. Does that make sense? So these two here, back on here, and we're in. That's very easy. I could glue that back on, but I'm not gonna, not until I test it. And I'll put this on so I can put it on charge because I don't think it'll have any charge on it. Let's try and power it up, see if it works. Still works. Let's see how much battery's in it. Oh, by the way, these wristbands act as antennas, so it probably won't get any Wi-Fi signal without the wristbands, but we'll see. Alright, so it's on, still works. It's got 10% battery. So I'll get this on charge and I'll put the rest back together, but yeah, you get the gist. This is how you do it, and this should hopefully revive your LG Watch Sport. You might not need to buy a new one. I definitely ain't gonna buy one yet until there's a decent one that comes out that I like. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you want videos like this again. Comment down at the bottom if you need some help. Take care.